So I just wanted to walk you guys through how I maintain my crochet braids. These were crochet braids done by Hair Be Natural. I'll tag her, she's amazing. But basically I just wanted to take a moment to fluff the hair. I've had this install in for about 6 weeks. This is 100% synthetic hair, but you do have to separate it just to give it that kind of fluffy look, and I'll show you guys a picture at the end. So what I'm doing is basically finger detangling each strand. It's very, very simple. You don't want to pull, it out, and then you basically just want to cut off anything that's kind of become a little webby, but you just basically do it at the ends. Very, very simple, gentle. This takes about 5 minutes. I actually haven't done this since I got my install, but you'll see the difference. Now you see, look, left side separated, right side clumpy. So this is just kind of slowly how I do it. Again, starting at the bottom, finger detangling, super, super simple. And then anytime I run into a knot, I simply trim it. Trust me, this hair is full. Crochet hair is big hair. So as you trim away, trust me, it will not take away from your install. So I just keep doing that. You see there's more cobwebs, and then that's with it detangled. So you see how it just keeps getting fluffier and fluffier. This is example. Do not pull like that. Don't do it. That's how people mess things up. Again, simply finger detangle, and then the knots, the webs, I should say, kind of just show themselves. And this is the end product after I've gone through all of it. So you see it's much more fluffier. The curls are, much more softer, and that's the end product.